Is it on? Okay, I think it's on. Yep, it's on. So, please don't hate. This is my voice. And, well, I am not a 4-year-old, so remember I said that. Not a 4-year-old. But this isn't age reveal. I don't know if I would ever do an age reveal or a face reveal. So, I'm just warning you about that. Yes, I am. This is my voice. I feel very ashamed right now. Why? Because, well, I feel like a lot of people will mistake me for a 4-year-old, but no. I'm not a 4-year-old, or a 5-year-old, or a 3-year-old. I don't know how a 3-year-old would even have a channel. Science logic? So that's it, I guess. I may do an age reveal later on in the future, or maybe tomorrow or today. The future knows when I'm going to make an age reveal. It depends on how many people ask. But I'm not doing a face reveal. Sorry. Bye. Hope you have an awesome day.